Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm the host device supports tethering and the data plan allows hotspots. Once done, restart the host and the client to clear transient network states. Toggling airplane mode often forces a clean reconnect. Make sure you're close enough, within about 3-5 meters, and that Bluetooth or other Wi-Fi devices aren't causing interference. If there's a VPN or carrier APN mismatch, disable the VPN and check APN settings. These small checks prevent wasted time and get you into the real fixes. You now reconfigure the hotspot. Change the SSID to simple ASCII characters and set security to WPA2 with a strong password so client handshakes work reliably. Next, manually set the Wi-Fi band and channel. Use 4 GHz on channel 1, 6, or 11 for compatibility, or switch to 5 GHz for less interference if both support it. Once done, limit connections to 1 or 2 devices and verify the hotspot's DHCP range is adequate. Clearing MAC filters ensures devices aren't being blocked during testing. You finish by testing end-to-end connectivity. If DHCP still fails, assign a static IP on the client using the hotspot subnet, for example 192.168.43, x/24 and gateway 192.168.43.1 to see whether the link itself works. Make sure carrier tethering is enabled in provisioning and APN settings haven't been altered. Sometimes a carrier reset or SIM reinsert fixes policy flags. If problems persist, capture logs or run a ping to the gateway.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.